In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for keyword research prompts. Harnessing the power of AI for keyword research can streamline your workflow and open new doors to creativity and insight. Let's dive in and explore how this process works in a few simple steps. First, we'll start off by opening Chatgpt. This may seem straightforward, but opening the application is the foundational step that will allow us to delve into all the amazing possibilities Chatgpt has to offer. If you haven't accessed it yet, you'll want to make sure you're logged in and all set to craft that new engaging conversation. Once you've got Chatgpt open, the next thing you want to do is create a new chat. Think of this as setting up a fresh canvas where you can experiment with ideas and explore the different avenues of your research. Creating a new chat provides the perfect space for you to introduce specific needs or unique areas of interest without the clutter of previous discussions interfering. The key to conducting effective keyword research is starting with a clear seed keyword. This will serve as the nucleus around which your keyword strategy will revolve. A seed keyword should be relevant to your niche or the specific project you're working on. By starting with something precise and focused, you give Chatgpt a foundation to build from, ensuring the suggestions generated are pertinent and aligned with your objectives. Next up, provide Chatgpt with one topic or focus area where you'd like it to concentrate its suggestions. When you define the parameters or the thematic focus of your research, you steer the conversation in a direction that is most useful for you. This might be the central theme of your website, the main product you offer, or a content area you wish to explore further. Precise and clear instructions will yield productive and relevant results. Moving forward, use Chatgpt to generate question-based keywords. Harnessing the power of questions taps into the curiosity that drives search queries. Formulate potential questions your audience might be typing into search engines related to your topic. This serves two purposes. It gives insight into user intentions and captures the linguistic nuances people naturally use when seeking information. Finally, don't forget the importance of doing local keyword research. Specify a geographic location to tailor suggestions that reflect local interests or regional search behaviors. This is particularly important for businesses serving specific areas or aspiring to become local authorities in their field. Not only does this strategy increase the relevance of your content within particular communities, but it also enhances your chances of ranking well in local searches. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to using Chatgpt for keyword research prompts. By following these steps with clarity and purpose, you're now equipped to make the most out of your keyword research endeavors, setting a strong foundation for successful SEO strategies.